If you have used Discord before, you might know about profile badges. These are small icons that appear on your profile and show certain achievements or memberships. You can get them by completing different tasks or joining specific programs. Today, I will show you how to get these badges like HypeSquad badge. This badge comes in 3 types: bravery, brilliance, and balance. Anyone can get it for free in just a few minutes. First, open Discord and go to User Settings by clicking on the gear icon at the bottom. Scroll down until you see HypeSquad. Click on it, then click Join HypeSquad. You will see a short quiz with a few questions. You can give any answers because Discord does not mind which ones you choose. When you finish, you will automatically be placed in one of the 3 houses and receive its badge on your profile. If you want a different HypeSquad badge, you can retake the quiz and try different answers until you get the one you want. Other badges like Nitro, Server Booster, Active Developer, and Quest badges can be obtained by doing similar simple tasks such as subscribing to Nitro, boosting a server, creating a bot, or completing a Discord quest. That is how you can get badges in Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Discord guides.